So measurement. So in this lesson, the learning outcomes, so students should be able to identify and measure time. Okay, so this is one of the next quantity that we need to look at and be able to measure. So time is fairly straightforward. So time in science, we measure time in seconds, minutes, and hours. So that's essentially what we measure time in. And again, time is makes up a component of other measurements, such as speed, which is distance over time. So it's very important that we are able to measure time and that we're able to measure it fairly accurately. So you can time all kinds of things. So for example, you can time how long it takes ice to melt. You can time how long it takes to cover a specific set distance, like 1 kilometer. And it's fairly straightforward to measure time. So during your time studying science, you're going to measure time, and generally the two kind of tools that you'll use to measure time is a stopwatch, which looks something like that, and they're kind of old-fashioned, they're gone out of fashion, whereas you have one of these guys here, which is a digital timer. So you can set this to measure time. And again, this is something you're probably using a lot all the time if you cook, or for example, you read the instruction on the back of, if you need to cook a pizza, you read the instruction on the back and set your timer for the time. Set your temperature at a specific temperature and then monitor the time. And that ensures then that you have no perfect pizza each time. So time is fairly straightforward. So it's measured in seconds, minutes, and hours. We use a digital timer to measure time.